Let's say you have a big idea, but you don't have enough data yet to support building it. This is the perfect time to create something small and valuable to get started, something that doesn't take a lot of time to create. One of the simplest and easiest things you can make is a mini course. I'm talking about an instructional video that teaches people one specific thing in less than an hour. Sounds so basic, but building a mini course can be a powerful start toward your bigger idea. You can create it quickly, you will learn a ton just by producing it, and you can use your mini course to test the market for interest in your bigger idea. Now I'm going to show you how you can create one. Step 1. You want to choose a very specific topic. When you start thinking about your first mini course, you want to be very specific and not that broad. For example, instead of creating a course on how to play guitar, you want to narrow it down to more specific topics like fingerpicking 101 or expressive rhythm and strumming, for example. Step 2. Create an interest page and promotional materials. Before you decide to spend some time creating your mini course, it's a good idea to figure out if anyone is interested in buying it. That's where an interest page comes in. You want to create a simple page that describes your mini course, its benefits, and what students will learn. Make sure that you are focused on the transformation of your students more than the features of the mini course or simply the agenda. Transformational language sells. Tell people that it's launching in the future and that they can learn more about it by giving you their email address. If you collect a few hundred emails, it might be worth getting started. Step 3. Outline your mini course content. Once you've decided to move forward with building your mini course, you'll need to start with an outline. So look to break down your topic into 3 to 5 main lessons. Each lesson should cover one key concept or skill that helps your students achieve the desired outcome. Create a simple outline for each lesson, including the main points, examples, and any resources or exercises you want to include that will help the students reach the desired outcome faster. Step 4. Create your mini course content. Begin creating your mini course content based on your outline. Here is a simple structure you can use for each lesson. 1. Introduce the main points students will learn. 2. Explain the concepts or demonstrate the skills using clear examples and visuals. 3. Include any necessary resources like worksheets. 4. Summarize the key takeaways and provide a clear action step for students to take. Because as you move on to each new lesson, explain how it will build up on the prior lesson. That way students can digest your information in a logical sequence. Okay, step 5. Set up your mini course delivery platform. Choose a platform to host and deliver your mini course. If you're just getting started, choose something simple like Gumroad, for example. I have a tutorial on my channel that you can easily watch to get started using Gumroad. Don't worry about making a huge amount of money right now, you're just trying to get some traction. And if your mini course is successful, you can always move onto something more robust like Kajabi. Step 6. Pricing your mini course to sell it easily. Just because you think you're providing $1,000 of information doesn't mean that you can price your mini course at this $1,000 mark. In the early stages of your journey, you probably don't have enough social capital to charge that kind of price. And remember, money is not your top priority with your first mini course. Consider charging anywhere from $10 to $50 and keep the content short to generate low-cost tripwire sales and get people to finish the mini course content. Then, at the end of your mini course, set up a simple testimonial collection widget so you can add testimonials to your website over time. So far, so good. Step 7. Create a sales page and promotional materials. Lastly, edit your interest page and turn it into a sales page. Simply replace the email box you used to collect emails with a strong call to action button to purchase your mini course. Make sure that you include the button in each section so that when people are ready to buy, they can do it easily. Step 8. Launch and promote your first ever mini course. Set a launch date for your mini course and begin promoting it to your audience. Use your email list and social media resources to generate interest and enrollments. Consider offering a special launch price or bonus to get people to sign up during your launch week. Then close the cart at the end of the week to take a break. Allow students to move through the mini course, ask questions, and submit feedback. This stuff will help you improve it and create better mini courses in the future. So if you follow these steps, you can create and launch your first mini course in just a few weeks. And I want you to remember, making money is great. However, providing value and helping your students achieve a specific outcome will build a ton of trust as you continue to grow your own personal brand. So let your students' success be a measure of your own. If you wanted to dive deeper into creating and launching profitable online courses, then I highly recommend you subscribe to my newsletter right below the like button. I will see you on the other side.